Hi, Mr. Lexx, what brings you here to Sumfest?
Sound clash.
Okay, so, but you did it yesterday?
Yeah, me just that's that. Yeah,
Was it the retro party?
I was on the retro party, yeah.
How did it go on?
It go on nice enough. Good performance and good crowd and everything, and it was alright.
Why is Chronixx not part of Sumfest this year? You think he should have on the lineup?
Yeah, him a go on good, so him should have on the lineup. I don't know what the reason why, or I don't know what. I'm not aware of the whole situation still, but him should have on it, yes.
What is up next for Mr. Lexx?
My tour October. I'm looking forward to that. My tour Europe. I sit down on a nice album, you know, so I look towards January. I look towards January for that. A long time I drop an album, and everybody asks me if I still DJ. Still DJ.
Of course, you're still about. So, quick question: what is your thoughts on the whole Chyna-ed tablecloth something with Miss Lou?
First of all, I don't think she did mean no disrespect, you know. And I think sometimes you have a thing before you say things. That's what I say. And I think she just say it without thinking what the effect or the after effect would be. But what I thought, when she realized what was going on, she should have just come back and apologize immediately. But I don't think she did mean no disrespect to Miss Lou still. So people shouldn't try overkill her. Is what I say. But at the end of the day, Miss Lou is Miss Lou, and we have to honor our heritage, you see me say, and respect that to the fullest, and we appreciate that. But I don't think she really mean for this Miss Lou still.
Alright, so Mr. Lexx, somebody who has been around in the dancehall space for quite a while, do you see any artists nowadays, like dancehall artists, that you think able to capture your sort of comedy, sort of charismatic approach to dancehall?
A long time I don't say artists like me still. In a while, for real. But you have a youth out the name Libran. When they go junking something. You have a couple artists on there still. You have a couple, but here one now. With every generation, the music change, the fashion change, the slang change, and you know every generation have, they're thinking about what they want to hear and how they want to wear them clothes and everything. So right now, the generation not really deal with the funny type of thing. Them are deal with
some more hardcore type of thing.
Yeah. Kill you 4 o'clock in the morning and right hand I need the girl frack and I decided, but you know, I'm not knock it, I'm not knock the new artists them because they might get popular and they might get rich off of it, so clearly somebody like it. So what we just wait till the change make, and let's hope it change for the better, is me.
So last question. Have you ever been Black Chyna-ed before?
A couple times.
What?
Couple times.
Couple times. Long time or recently?
Couple times.
Alright, people, that is it. Mr. Lexx, big up yourself.